Hello! Time to introduce myself to you guys. I'm Ronja and I live in Mozambique. The city we live in is called Kilimani, and by we I mean my fiancé Edson, our little baby. At the moment I have a bit of a nesting instinct. I don't know, in German we say Nestparty. Trying all these new, different, amazing DIYs that I find on Pinterest. There's no decorational stores where you can go to and just pick up a nice lamp or something. I'm just trying to create certain things with the material I find here, like coconut, bamboo, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. Also, I want to share my life in Mozambique because it's completely different to the life that I'm used to. And even though I'm living here since about 8 months now, it's not very easy to get used to it. It's a long process because the mentality is completely different. The mentality of the people compared to my own. Trying to keep it a mix of everything, basically sharing my life with you guys. I hope you're interested in it. Before I moved here, I've been looking for something like that, but I couldn't really find much. That's why I decided to just create it for myself and for other people. I'm also writing a blog. It's called AGINGERUNDERPALMTREES.com. You'll find articles about the beginning, how I started to kind of understand how life here works and how difficult sometimes it was for me, and I hope you like experiencing this part of the world with me because it is a great journey, I must say.